Hi guys, this is Mr. Gonzalez. This is a little tutoring on Bohr models. Don't want to bore you. So what we're going to do is go over what you're expected to know on the test. So the first thing you're going to get is a periodic table like this one here. And what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to know, you're going to have to know the atomic number. So let's do nitrogen, for example. Let's say you get that one. So nitrogen's atomic number is 7. And the first thing you're going to do is you'll probably have a nucleus. And you put 7 protons, 7 neutrons, just like that. And then you start making your rings. So the first ring, which is a perfect circle, can hold 2. The next ring can hold whatever else we need for now. It can hold 8, but we only need 5 more. So we could just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's pretty much how you pair them. Okay, so keep them like that. It's not a problem if you put 2 together, that's okay, but this is usually the appropriate way to do it. So just to check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, there's 7. This one is totally done. For the quiz or test that you'll get on Monday, this guy will be drawn for you already, the nucleus, and you just have to put 7p and 7n in there. And you'll probably get the first ring as well, okay? Just so you don't, what I don't want is you to draw circles on this circle, which is our nucleus, okay? So that's nitrogen. Now just to be interesting, I'm going to do actually the one behind it, sorry, the one under it called phosphorus, and that's number 15. So this time we're going to do 15p, 15n, that nucleus. Let's draw the first ring. That gets 2. The second ring now will be filled because we have to go to 15, so this will give us 10. The most that the second ring can hold is 8. It's always 8, the second ring. And the third ring, well, the third ring, we have 10 now. We need 5 more. And what I'm going to do is go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay, isn't it fun to count? So I did this on purpose, just so you can see nitrogen and here phosphorus. What do you notice? Well, they're actually, the valence is the same, and it pretty much is whatever column the element is in tells you the valence electrons. So we numbered them. Remember, we folded our periodic table to exclude this weirdo in the middle, this orange guy. So this is the first, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The reason these guys are in the same group or the same column is they have 5 valence electrons. And so these two guys will react very similarly. They'll make the same kinds of bonds, sort of. Okay? So, cool. I'll do one of these easy guys over here so we can see. Do a little more practice. If you want to pause this video and try it, and then start playing just to check your answer, that would be good too. So let's do magnesium 12. Magnesium 12. So if you want to try it right now, cool. Pause. And we're back. All right, so here's how you do 12 protons, 12 neutrons. You have your nucleus. We'll do a ring just like this. 2 there. We need 10 more. Can't put 10 in the second because it only holds 8. These are just fantastic circles, aren't they? 2, 4, 6, 8. This gives you 10. You only need 2 more, which is cool. You draw 1 more ring. And that gives you 1, 2. You're totally done. So that's the Bohr model for magnesium. Just to check, 2 valence electrons. It's in the second column. Okay, cool. So now let's, I told you that these guys here are pretty straightforward. Okay, but as soon as you start getting into this thing right here, this is called the D block in chemistry. You'll learn more about that in chemistry. But for us, at first I told you that this guy holds 2, this guy's hold 8, this guy's hold, the first ring holds 2, the second ring holds 8, the third one can actually hold 18, and so can the fourth one, and the fifth one. But the problem is they don't fill up in this order. Okay, what happens is they do what's called backfilling, and I'll show you how that works now. Okay, so let's do iron to number 26. Why not? Now let's do nickel. I think we did iron in class, so let's do nickel just for fun. Nickel. Cool. Nickel is 28. So, and I put a little 28 here. That's our atomic number. And so 28 protons, 28 neutrons. All right. Oh man, it's gonna be a lot of drawing, so let's do it fast. Here we go. All right, cool. There's 8. Now I'll slow down here because this is where it gets different. So the first ring holds 2. The second ring holds 8 and only 8. The third ring starts with 8. So let's do 8. Wait, how many do we have? We have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I have 18 total, but only 8 on this outer ring. Now I need more because I'm at 18. I have to get to 28 here. So I told you that this third ring holds 18, but it doesn't start filling up here. I can't start drawing electrons. What actually happens is the fourth ring comes into play. So the fourth ring comes like this. And the pattern of filling is sort of like this. The fourth one gets 2. 1, 2. Okay. The fourth one gets 2. And that gives you 20. We're up to 20, but we need 8 more. So now what happens is backfilling starts. So we can actually hold 10 more in this third ring, and we only need 8 more. So let's put 2, 4, 6, 8. We now have 28 electrons, and it's done. And it was backfilled. So this is called backfilling, and you basically for your test just have to know these guys right here, because it gets a little confusing it gets too crazy if you start getting big here. You need a lot of rings. Okay, so that totally will help you with your Bohr models. Okay, if you just stick to this top row and practice those. Okay, all right, I hope that helped. See y'all.